Well, g'day from Kando Kiwi. Now, what went wrong? I've got the mic, I've got the camera, I've got the mic adapter for the camera, but something's not right. Now, I'm the silly bugger who didn't test the mic attached to the camera before heading off on a ride. I've got the Insta360 camera with an Insta360 mic adapter and basically a Radio Shack type microphone, which I've installed into my helmet. And here I was riding along, telling everybody about the new setup and what I was hoping to achieve, just to achieve nothing at all. Now, I've checked the settings in the camera. I can't see anything there. I'm assuming the mic adapter is just plug and play. I've watched YouTube videos, instructional videos on this to see if I'm doing something wrong. I can't see that I'm doing anything wrong. I've tried a second mic sitting on the desktop here into the mic adapter and still no sound. So I can only assume it is the mic adapter is malfunctioning. Well, one thing I was talking about that nobody heard was my new Rivet mesh jacket. It's the Torque model, Torque. It's got a waterproof liner. It's more of a sports type riding jacket rather than an adventure jacket. But it was such a hot day today, I thought I'd give it a try for the first time. I still had it in the closet with the labels on, thinking I might on-sell it because when I first tried it on, it was a bit tight around the middle. But being such a hot day, I thought it would be unwise to go out without it. So I pulled the label off and gave it a go for the first time. I removed the liner. I didn't see any rain in the forecast, of course. The waterproof liner had to go. Anyhow, I'm off on a little jaunt down to Parkery Beach and over the hill to Lee. This is the first part of the trip I've captured on camera. Edited a lot of the boring, long, straight bits out, just kept a bit of the interesting stuff. Okay, so it's a bit of a trek across to the beach, and I'm in my motorcycle boots, and I won't be walking through the creek to get there. So I'll overlay a couple of photos. So I'm out today for only the second time on my SWM Super Dual. For those who don't know, I've recently picked this up online, having made a impulse buy, but I've had to replace the subframe bolts. They'd shed off. I've replaced the fork seals. I've replaced the lower steering bearing that was totally rusted. But well, that started off a little bit of a project bike. It is on the road now and performing well. Worth a mention, the rear preload adjuster digs into the side of the leg and side of the boot. Not a biggie, but worth a mention. Well, that's all for now. I hope to get this microphone problem sorted out shortly. Thanks for watching.